Have you ever wondered what kind of culture a certain country has? Well, I always do. Hi everyone, my name is Tugstadese. Today I'm here to talk to you a little bit about my culture. Um, I am Ethiopian, and Ethiopia is a multi ethnic as well as a multicultural country. We have a large number of Muslims, but more than half of the population belongs to the Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Church. In Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Church, we have a number of celebrations and festivities throughout the year. Actually, those festivities and celebrations are not only for the people who belongs to that church, but it is also for everybody, all the nation, the culture of the Ethiopian nation. So today I am gonna tell you a little bit about four of the main celebration and festivity of the Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Church as well as the Ethiopian people. So the first one is right here. It is the celebration of the finding of the true cross, and we call it Mescal. If you see right here, these are the priests and the deacons who are there to preach and pray and sing to celebrate with their beautiful cultural and church clothes. And these are the people who came to that square. By the way, this celebration is conducted in the city's main square. Actually, the square got its name after the celebration, and it's called Mescal Square. And these people right here are there coming from all over the city, all over from the country to celebrate this holiday. So the second one right here is celebrating the baptism of Christians. And we call it Temkat. If you see here, got this big pool. These are the priests again. These are the people who came there to celebrate. So once the priest preach and pray and bless this water, everybody will jump in and just celebrate the baptism. The third one is Christmas. It is Ethiopian Christmas, and we call it Ganna. This is a church. They built it from one single rock. Yeah, it is one of Ethiopian main attraction spot. And you see these people right here, they are gathering there from all over the country again just to pray and celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. And the fourth one and the last one is right here. It is Easter. We call it Pasika. And Easter celebration is after 55 days of fasting. Yeah, it is a really long waiting holiday. So people gather in a church. We celebrated the prayer started around 12 midnight, goes up to 3 a.m. in the morning, and then everybody will go home and then eat and break the fasting. So it is a fascinating holiday. So yeah, this is my culture. Actually, it's few of a vast culture. Hopefully, we'll have another chance to tell you more about my culture, and I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, thank you. Bye.